In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Ctrader. We'll walk through the entire process from opening your browser to logging in for the first time, keeping things simple and secure. You'll need a Windows computer and a reliable internet connection. If you're following along, pause as needed and resume when you're ready. Start by opening your preferred web browser. A modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox will work well. Close any unnecessary tabs or downloads so your connection stays focused on this task. Next, go to the official Ctrader store. Type the official address directly into the browser's address bar rather than clicking ads from a search page. This helps you avoid imitation sites. Once the page loads, make sure you see a secure connection indicator in the address bar, such as a padlock icon. That confirms you're in the right place. On the store page, look for the Ctrader section or tab. This is where the desktop platform is featured. Clicking the Ctrader tab should show you the available downloads and a clear option for Windows. If you see multiple products, make sure you're selecting the main Ctrader platform, not plugins or extras. Click the Download for Windows button. Your browser may ask whether to save or run the file. Choose Save so you have a copy. The installer is typically a small .exe file. If your browser blocks the download, allow it from this trusted source and try again. Pay attention to where the file is saved, usually your Downloads folder. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, click Yes. Follow the on-screen instructions, review the license terms, choose the default installation location unless you have a specific reason to change it, and proceed. Installation usually takes less than a minute, depending on your system. When it completes, you can choose to launch Ctrader right away. Open Ctrader, either from the final installer prompt or from your Start menu. On the Sign In screen, enter the credentials you already use with your broker or Ctrader ID. If you use two-factor authentication, have your code ready. Keep your login details private and avoid saving them on shared computers. Once you're in, you'll see the main trading interface. That means your installation was successful. That's it. You've opened a browser, gone to the Ctrader store, selected the Ctrader tab, downloaded the Windows installer, run it, and logged in. If anything doesn't work as expected, verify your internet connection, temporarily pause strict antivirus settings, and try the download again. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Ctrader setup.